Have you ever wondered why some things sink and others float? Let's do an experiment and try to find out why. Walk around your house and select items you'd like to test out. We collected a plastic toy, a pen, plastic bottle, a spoon, a sponge and a rock. Now, put water in a big container. I'm using an aquarium so that you can see better, but you can just use a bucket. Fill it right up. Now take one thing at a time and put it in the water. Is it sinking or is it floating? I wonder why some float and why some sink. Can you help me figure it out? Let's work it out together. Maybe the objects that sank have something in common. They could have been made of the same substance. Or maybe not. What about the objects that sank in the water? Could it have to do with their size and weight? Could that be the answer?